Good morning, students. How are you doing today? Lovely. Students, I noticed that all of us struggle a little bit when it comes to word problems. So to help us make it easier, I'm going to introduce a method called cubes method. I have written it on the board. Everyone please take 2 minutes and quickly write it in your notebook. So we are going to use this cubes method to help us solve this word problem. Can someone please read out this word problem for the class? Good job. Thank you, students. Okay. So the first step of cubes is C. C is circle the number. Can someone quickly see and tell me what are all the numbers here? Lovely. 15 and 3 are the numbers. So I will circle them. Beautiful. U is underline the question words. Question words are words which help us find out what do we need to find in the answer. Can someone guess what are the question words? Beautiful. How many are question words which help us know that we have to find out how many chocolates are given. B means box the hint words for operations. So before I know which hint words I have to box, I will look at our keywords chart for different operations and I will look at which words are there. I can see that from our word problem, distribute and each are two hint words that are there in the keywords chart. So I will quickly box them, right? I am boxing distribute and I am also boxing each. So I have finished my first 3 steps. Now for fourth step, to evaluate, I have to now go back to my keywords chart and try to understand where my 2 boxed words are coming, in which operation. So my boxed words, distribute and each, are coming in. I can see that they're in the division operation. So that is telling me that I have to divide some numbers to find the answer. So I will write divide over here. So let me look at the circled numbers again, students, to find out which numbers I have to divide. I can see that there are 15 chocolates and I can also see that there are 3 friends. The question is telling me that Rajini distributed 15 chocolates among her 3 friends. So it is telling me that I have to divide 15 chocolates among 3 friends. So students, if I were to put this in a division format, I would then say 15 divided by 3. Do we know how to solve for this, students? 15 divided by 3. We already learned this, right? So I'm going to give all of you 3 minutes to now solve for 15 divided by 3 and tell me the answer. Okay? Perfect. Does anyone want to tell me what is the answer? What is 15 divided by 3? Good job. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So if 5 is the answer, let us go back to the question. Right? Rajini gave 5 chocolates to each friend. Students, we will now use the cubes method to help us solve a few more word problems. Okay, I will write 5 more word problems on the board and we will use the cubes method to solve each of them.